So what I'm doing now, I'm taking this chisel and I put it right underneath the lip and I'm lifting it up. I'm not worried about damaging that. I can fix that with a welder, or you can file it down by hand. A little spot like that won't hurt. You know, if this was a business, of course you'd torch it out and you'd pry it out, but you know, what I'm doing now is I'm trying to fracture the rest of that weld. I mean that cut with the grinder. You can see it's coming loose now. I'm going to give it a couple good whacks. Just watch your eyes, watch your hair, watch your skin, watch everything. These things are nasty. Okay, so I got a bigger gap around here now, and a lot of times you can tap it around a little bit, it'll loosen it up. Just always watch the fragments because they'll splatter. I still haven't been able to crack it back in here. It's pretty good. I sawed it pretty good. I'll have to saw it a little bit more. Like I said, it's not going to hurt as long as you go way far in there. Notice I tilt this up and down to get the rock across that cut. Yeah, the cut looks pretty good, so it should break any time. Just got to be careful you don't get the stuff in your face. Starting to move now. You can see a big gap right here, and see if we can pop it up without breaking the lip off. It's better if you don't break the lip off. It's better if you can save this, you can pound on it. I'm going to keep pounding lightly on it until it breaks loose.